Hey guys, today I'll be doing a review on my liquid ears. Alright, so first of all, we want to unfold them. So to fold them in, they roll up and down here. And you do it with the other one, roll it up. And there you have the headphones. The cord is pretty long. Mine's tangled up though. So, just gonna untangle it. And if you can see that it's gold plated, so yeah, it won't rust, well it shouldn't rust if you take care of it and not drop them in water accidentally. So the cord is pretty long. I wear these when I want to like shut the door and stuff, so these are good to use. If you look up here, it's metal, and you can adjust them here, and then they'll be longer. And that does not fit me, so yeah, I'll just put that back up, and you just slide them up and down, and they lock in. Because when you undo it, it's light locked, I think, because these little things here, I'm not sure. And then you click it back in. They're not too tight on you, they just sit on there. And if you look carefully, it's a bit hard to see, but it'll say L. Like digged into it. It has LE. You can get black, blue, or white. And the white ones look a bit more cooler. On part 2, I'll write review on liquid ears black, review on liquid ears white, and when I get hold of my friends, I'll write review on liquid ears blue. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll make more films. Then I just drop my liquid ears. Bye.